Oh, three.
Good afternoon, guys. My name is Tesha, and this is my channel now, Tesha's TV. So, like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Some of you might have already known me from Meet the Mitchell, but this is my channel now. So, today I'll be doing some stew pork and some fried chicken. However, I did not get to season my meat from overnight, but when I woke up this morning it was already done. So in my next video I'll be doing that from scratch. So I'll be cooking outside today, and country there, so everybody used the cold stove. So I'll be showing you how we catch cold stove in the country. So first, some people might call it chip or whatever you might use, but I'll be using some oil along with my paper towel. I've learned this from Color Smith TV and Miss Luca at Kitchen. So Color Smith and Miss Luca, big up on herself. Basically, we have known each other personally because we're from the same community. So let me try. This is my first time trying this one though. Normally use black bag and stuff. So let me try. I'll be doing cooking, take you on a tour, adventures and stuff, and I'll be also trying some new stuff also. So if it spoil, don't come at me. Fire kitchen.
Cut of work.
All right. And the outside pipe, so make full water to wash off my hand. I do have an outside pipe. So coconut, I always use two coconut on a Sunday. So, I have to broke them now. Now when I broke coconut, you have to find one sharp piece of stone, one stone and one sharp edge. So say. Alright guys, so see me finish grate the coconut. So now normally throw some water on it. So to me, for some reason rice and peas taste way better and nicer when you grate it. Half truth. I know so a lot of people still greater than coconut on Sunday and love it greater than coconut. So I make this sit for a little and squeeze it out. I love to put the coconuts and the peas to boil together. I don't know if y'all do the same. So I'm going to wash off the peas. Outside. I'll share that. Give it a second wash. So I'm going to add some water to this and put it on the fire along with the coconut milk, garlic, put this on the fire. Need some more water. Then now I am going to squeeze my coconut. Squeeze it out. You know this nice with? Some sugar. You put all this in one cup and add some sugar to it. Oh, very nice. Or some people might use it to make a gizzard or a grater cake. One of them. So you can tell me in the comment section what people use it to make. You know, so we can try that too. Gizzard. As I said, I'll be also trying some new stuff.
Big up.
So I want to big up Meet the Mitchells, Momo, Swirl, Miss Look at Kitchen, Color Spring TV, and all the other vloggers from Portland and all over the world. You guys inspire me so much. Can you remember when I was saying it one time? Every time I know that I want to do my video, Tesha, do it, but a lot of work. Mom was like, Tish, I can't wait for you to do your first video. I can't wait. Yeah. Along with me, Miss Look at Kitchen. I was like to Larry, you know, I want to start it, and I was like, great man, I can show you some things. So guys, big up on yourself. Alright.
I thought.
Okay guys, so I'm adding the coconut juice along with the garlic. So now I'm going to let it boil. They already put on the pot for the pork, so I'm just going to tip a little bit of oil into the pot. Not a lot because you know grease, so I'm not really like using a lot of oil, but just okay. So let's add it. Now when the pot gets heated, I'm going to add the pork to it and cover it to let it steam. Some might fry it first and cook it down, while some might fry it with the browning on it, but I don't do it like that. So I think the pot may be ready by now. So I'm just gonna add a little. As I said early on, I did not get to season the meat because when I wake up it was already seasoned. So in my next video I'll show you guys step by step. Not a lot of browning because listen, browning is not something you play with. You see, when you put a lot of browning, it will get black. So you have to know if you put other browning to it. I mean, I really like when pork black. I like when it has a black.
Go on.
Yes, listen, I'm not hold on here. I'm going to cover it now and let that steam. I'm not going to add in the water same time. You know, after in times, what we do as Jamaican, we throw in a little water in the season part. Container your seasoning now. I get it and throw it on it. So, I'm going to do just so. And listen, when you cook, don't add a lot of water to the pot or full it up no. Little tip of water till it take time and cook. So you know, full up the pot of water because it will take away the taste of the food. I don't know what happened to this. Oh, it's a catch. So sometimes when I start frying the chicken now. So stay tuned and watch what I'm on. Put on the pot for the fried chicken. Alright. Pour in the oil. Some people might wait till the pot hot. Alright. So this time I'm not gonna do no that might be new to some. Or some of you might have already. So I'm going to pour some ice water on the chicken. Where's the shadow? And it. Stop out to go drop my ice teeth. My teeth start so here I go on with it. So now guys, I'm going to add some flour to this container. Add some more in this. Can't afford Maggie, you know. Maggie you can't go wrong. And if you can't cook, when you use Maggie seasoning, you're good to go. So I'm going to dip it in this flour. Come again and I dip it in this water. I can use this flour still, but I don't want it too cakey. So I'm going to go over now and dip again the second time, and then add it to the frying. Or the pot not at it. No? Okay. The rooster. No, so I couldn't trim it there. As I said earlier, some of you guys might have already tried this before, and this might have been some of you guys first time doing it. I'm going to add a pepper to the oil. Here. Just a wait for it to then adding the chicken to it. I want to big up the man behind the camera, so cameraman, big up yourself. Alright. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the chicken to the frying pan. Same procedure for all. Can't too crowded up the pot, you know. So But they don't need to cook. Take your time. Don't let the pot too flooded. So if you can take one more, you can wait a bit. Okay, see, it's like rain did go fall, you know. If your father, go up your hand. Let me get little sun. Now make the pot so crowded. Okay guys, so I'm going to check on the pot now. So I'm going to turn him chicken here. Turn them. I want them stay saying and not slap me and save me. I want to stay saying Check on the pork. It's a wine. Put the wine himself. Now I'm going to check on the peas. When you look on the mess, it's really simple. And it take a lot of time because all the people with a fresh ice. But I love to cook it the old fashioned way.
Right, gone.
So guys, I'm going to take out the fried chicken now. I normally put a paper towel in the container to take out the excess oil. It's like mother eat peas. No, could I? Jesus! You see? So anytime I'm not the fun one like this, then you come give me a Tesha. Look, let me get the chicken exactly like how you do it. Pretty and nice, see? Exactly like how you do it. Tell me if you're not going to mistake, see? The same thing. So stick with me guys, and let's see how this come out. Okay. Come off, man. Also guys, I would love to like give at least 2 persons meal from my cooking on Sundays. So if you know of anyone that is in need or basically they don't want to try, you can reach out to me and send my number. I put my number on the screen, so you can reach out to me if you know of anyone that is really in need of food that I can basically bring to them within the parish of Portland or St. Mary, and then later on down I'll be able to reach the others. But yeah, someone that is home and you know basically need some sort of assistance, but if we just share on one meal, nothing wrong with that, I will be able to do so. A friend, a cousin, because nothing better like sharing, say little is much when God is in it. So just share. So if you want dumpling, cut it in a two. Okay guys, so I'm going to wash off the seasoning for the pork and cut them up and put them in. Onion to get that, I look over. Is that more onion or soda? Onion to get. So I'm going to look at this skillet.
Oh. Okay, so cutting up the Irish now, and then put it in a pot. Ginger is a must in a pork. You need flavor. You have to put in a piece of ginger in your pork. Remember that. So they are curry, and you are going through. I like when my Irish man. I look a junky, not too fine. Bite size though. Oh, ginger, I have say beef is out here, so luckily this is here. Things them so expensive. Oh my. But wait, me not say Happy New Year. Or when you're in the middle of the month, you know, say it's no longer Happy New Year. When New Year finish, by the way. Yeah, some people still wish people Happy New Year, or I don't know. It's a back. And back to that it much better. Now time for the sweet pepper. Guys, me love wash. I love wash off everything. So when you see me wash already, I love wash off stuff. I love to wash. And it's a sweet pepper. Sweet pepper normally be the last thing you put in a pot, because it gives it flavor. So I'm just gonna add half to it now, and when it's near to finish, then I'm going to add the next half. Matter of fact, when the pot done cooking, you can even add in your sweet pepper. So you're not saying so we'll never add it now, so we take away the flavor. Okay guys, so the next batch now out. Next batch out.
I always make it to my hair and drain off first. So if you leave in this pot now, you strain off whatever. If you should never strain off the first set, whatever they leave, drop off the chicken, even if it's say company. So now I'm going to strain off that oil so we can use it again. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the seasonings to the pork pot. Just need a little bit more water.
Why is your ball?
Just a little more water, not a lot. And then I'm going to cover it now. Let us see. So now I'm going. Okay. So I'm just gonna put a little ketchup to the pork, just a little. Cause not a lot. But I full up on the pork now and ketchup in just a little bit. Just like that. Nothing more than that. Stir it. You say everybody cook different. Some people might put a whole lot and I say, what kind of little bit of ketchup that me always full up the pot? No. None of that. So let me check on the peas, but no. Alright. Bubbling. Look like the pea is ready. So make a wash off the rice. Add my seasoning first. Wash off the rice. Then add it to the pot. I love ginger in a rice and peas. Such ginger dirty bad. Time. You know what nice in my son piece too? Cinnamon leaf. If you have that, oh my god. Chef kiss. And in pork also, you can add pimento leaf in the pork. Give it a real nice flavor.
I'm gonna go to
That's the kill. I'm going to add this to my rice and peas. You have a nice, you see? Nice. A little pimento seed. And they already add the salt. I'm going to do my butter. I don't know how much butter is this, half stick or whatever stick you might call it, but I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to cut off stir it. I'll already add the salt. The cold stove turned down now, so I really need it for the high flame. So I'm just gonna let that season soak in, and then I'm going to add my rice. Just, guys, so now I am going to put in the rice in the pot. Oh, remember when we used to use the corn rice, the coyote rice? No, I be a jasmine or basmati. Nobody now use corn rice again. So bear in mind, the rice go along with the measurement of the water. So I'm going to fill up on the pot of rice. So the water must be 1 inch above the rice. Jamaican parents will wash the rice. And I have a sink outside. Straight to ground. Oh gosh, we should leave it there so. I will say right back in the good thing. Sometimes people wash them rice without 2 or 3 times. I love to wash mine 3 times. If I did for the coyote rice, oh my, you wash it from now till the morning. So let me phone make up on kitchen outside. You know, with a proper nice sink and everything, I love to cook outside. Nice. Alright. So now I am going to add the rice to the pot. See there, wow. Nice here. Well, nice. Okay. So, you know, so with this fire, now you don't need a lot of fire to ensure that you're going to cook outside any day from today. Ensure that you don't have a lot of fire. So now I am going to cover the pot and let it steam. Remember, not a lot of fire. See you soon. Okay guys, so in this I'm going to do some stir fry. I had some string bean, carrots, sweet pepper, onion and some garlic. So I'm going to add it to the pot. And I also have some corn, baby corns. So I'm just going to stir fry it. I'm just going to add it to the pot. You should smell this. Oh my god, I love the smelling of garlic. Oh my. Oh, I never get cut. Don't touch it. So now I'm just going to cover it and let it steam for a little. So you don't want it too soft, you know. So I have to make it a little crunchy, not too soft. You're not going to really leave the pot You keep on a stir it. So not too soft. That is a crunchy. And then never get cut either. Alright, stir it. Look nice here. And then I'm going to make some fresh vegetables. Some carrots, cabbage, and some cucumber. Can't afford salad, so I'm buy tomato. So I'll show you that. So now I'm going to do some raw veg. So here I have some cucumber, tomato, cabbage, carrot, and some sweet pepper. I'm just gonna wash everything together. Okay guys, so this is the finishing product, and here we have rice and peas, well shelly and nice, some stewed pork, and fried chicken. See there? Chicken well nice, see? Cucumber, tomato, so we can't afford the salad, some lettuce, some stir fried veg, and also some raw veg. So now I'm going to share dinner for my family. Kelly and Miss Shirley. And this is just our regular Sunday dinner. Because I was like, okay, I'm just gonna cook. Ricardo was like, no, you need to do a vlog. And I was like, no, I'm not ready. And he was like, no, you need to do a vlog. So, okay then, let's do it. So here we are. And I'm sure they don't dare saying, oh, they not give me a lot of food, you know. Can't afford vegetable right through the weeks, you know. If at least once on a Sundays, then yeah, we'll try to. Things here are so expensive. Not so pretty. Miss Shirley, Kelly, or anyone. So,
Alright.
so this is Miss Shirley, guys. Say hi to the camera, Miss Shirley.
Hi.
Kelly. So this is Kelly. Say hi to the camera, Kelly. Say she's shy like myself. Yeah. Guys, this is my son Mikhail, and this is his dinner. Here we go, Mikhail. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Okay, Kayla. Say hi to the vlog, Kayla.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and ding the bell below.
Woo. And this is my sister from another mother, Stephanie.
Hi.
And this is Lydia. Say hi, Lydia.
Hi.
Mikhail, why are you doing that? So Mikhail wants to go by his friends. Mikhail, eat and tell mommy how it tastes.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
No, Kayla, oh gosh, Kayla can't wait for taste and say, taste you?
Good.
My son gonna leave him food, so me end up at me have to go eat it now. Yes. Okay guys, so this is my video person.
Alright. There you know indulge in our food that Tisha made I look about. No, stew pork, rice and peas, fried chicken, salad, tomato, cucumber, stir fried veg and raw veg. And yeah man, eat good, very tasty. Fried chicken very crunchy and nice. Yeah man, we'll get a 10 out of 10. Yeah man, eat good, well nice. Yeah man, so guys, remember again, like, share, subscribe, and also comment. Alright?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, where going at the key?
The food me come for.
Matter of fact,
Yeah?
matter of fact, she not eat.
Cassie, what you say?
Yeah, not there, so.
Your mouth full?
Nothing. We don't know when we're going this big dish.
You know me carry one pot? One chew inside my share out and do. I don't know if everything done already.
Number pass
You
what?
could find a smaller base now.
Alright, give me one smaller one and take that one here. But if me take one smaller one, then I go share for everybody down the yard.
They're sitting there, so can't share for everybody.
Exactly.
You see if she's up in that plate.
Put it on YouTube. They make
I
it
see the pan. See the pan YouTube.
There are seaside in there for YouTube with big plate.
If what me do?
In there seaside, I will have a plate and see with a collect food.
Who said that?
Let me not see out of
I got a
seaside.
big plate like give me out of seaside, no box. So you know me I go down, that's why I walk with my plate. Then can't style me again.
Here. So guys, remember I've said it before early on. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.
You just send them
my
over
page.
your
Thank you.
No, me see